everybody. Guess what I got? I got a new captain shirt. Engineering, Captain Stripes. What do you think? Which character do you think is going to get this captain shirt? Well, he's an engineer, and he's been on the USS Ajax for a long time. And he got transferred to the USS JLS. And he goes over to the USS Crytex now and then. And he does update repairs on the USS Revenge as well. So, wonder what engineer is going to get this shirt. And what season are we going to give it on him to? Nice shirt. Yeah, Captain. Nice seeing this. I had to have it. Didn't cost a whole lot. But it's a little tight. Gotta lose a little fat weight. But other than that, it's a nice shirt. Stay tuned to Commodore Productions. You never know what you're going to see around here. Take care, everybody. We'll see you down the stream. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.